Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make your video horizontal in CapCut. Alright guys, here I have imported my vertical video to CapCut and we're going to practice how we can make this video horizontal. So if we want to make it horizontal, we can click on ratio right here and then you can select this ratio. There's a 16:9 ratio, and then we can adjust the size of the video. We can resize it by clicking on the video. You can click on the video section right here, then you can zoom in like this to make it vertical. Okay, and we can adjust the position as well like this. Okay guys, and that's how we can make our video horizontal in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this tutorial is useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video guys.